So from your syllabus, second part is concept learning. After the types of learning, so concept learning is basically the problem of inducing general functions from the specific training. So it is inducing the general functions from a specific training example is central to the learning. Okay. So today's lecture we go through this theoretical concept of machine learning. Okay, so today's lecture agenda is mainly the concept learning. How we represent this concept learning and hypothesis representation we discussed today. So concept learning actually induced general function from a specific training example. Okay. So in the machine learning concept, what is there? We have the certain training example and we want to find out the general function related to that. And that function is called as a hypothesis. Okay. So inducing general function from the specific training example is the main issue of the machine learning. And concept learning can seen as a problem of searching through a predefined space of potential hypothesis or the hypothesis that best fit the training example. So this term hypothesis is a scientific context, is a testable statement about the relationship between the two or more variables or a proposed explanation for some observed phenomenon. So hypothesis is basically the framework in which it signifies the relationship between two or more variables. So hypothesis is one thing, and hypothesis space. Hypothesis space is a set of all possible legal hypotheses. So hypothesis is a collection, hypothesis space is a collection of all the legal hypotheses. And this especially the set forms which the machine learning algorithm would determine the best possible. So there is a space which you say that the universe in which we have lot of hypotheses. Clear? So hypothesis is basically the framework, or you can say the function, or you can say the relationship between two or more than two variables. And this can be determined by describing the target function or the output. So definition of concept learning is that learning a category description, that is concept, from a set of positive and negative training examples. So there are a lot of concepts which are available to you, and from that you learn by training the positive and negative training samples. So that is concept learning task. Concept, what is concept is? Concept is the word come from the real word, and in which event is a concept, particular object is in concept, like bird, car, mobile phone, laptop. These are actually the objects or concept. Now mathematically we write the target function, which is a Boolean function. Clear? So C colon X determine 0, 1. So what this function says that with the concept of C on the variable X, basically X are the set of attributes which ultimately determine two things, either 0 or 1. 0 means no, 1 means yes. That means Boolean value. Clear? So what is our concept is to find out attributes, that is X, and which determine either 0 or 1. And what is experience actually in this? The set of training instance that is determined by D, which is the collection of small x, that is the subset of capital X, all the set of attributes, and Cx determine the value either 0 or 1. Clear? So this X are the attributes. So these are attributes like x1, x2, and all, whatever is for your problem. And what actually is Cx? So Cx, the result. So either C is 0 or 1. So there are two values, and whole set is called as training instance. Clear? So a search problem for best fitting hypothesis is the hypothesis space. So as I told you, hypothesis space is represented by H, which is a hypothesis space set of all possible legal hypotheses, and the small h is the legal hypothesis which fits all the hypothesis space. So the space is determined by the choice of representation of hypothesis, all Boolean functions or a subset. So concept learning, a formal definition is inferring a Boolean value function from training example for its input and output. So whatever the inferring Boolean values function, we have certain training examples of its input and output. For example, concept learning, the bird concept. So for representing birds, we have the example of birds which are called as positive example. And non-birds means animals which are non-birds are the example of negative example. So concept learning infers a Boolean value function from training examples for its input and output. So we are trying to learn this definition of concept from a given example, that is a sports example. Look at this sport example. So it may be more clear. So concept to learn from the sport example is that day in which Aldo can enjoy water sports. Water sports is played by Aldo and he enjoy that. So for this is the concept to be learned. Okay. The concept to be learned is the days in which Aldo can enjoy water sports. Now it depends on what are the conditions, what are the constraints. So for that we have the attributes. Look at these attributes. So there are 6 attributes like sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, and forecast. So these are the attributes, that is X: sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, and forecast. And there are certain values of these attributes, like sky is sunny, sky will be cloudy or rainy, air temperature is warm and or cold, humidity is normal or high, wind is strong or weak. Look at, these are binary. The values are binary. Water is warm or cool. Forecast is same or change. So these are attributes. The concept to be learned is day in which Aldo can enjoy water sports, and these depend on these attributes. Clear? So tell me instance in the training set. What are the instances in the training set? ट्रेनिंग सेट्स में क्या क्या इंस्टेंस होंगे और कितने होंगे? कैन एनी वन ऑफ यू गैस दिस? What should be the instances in training set? And how many instances? Please reply. 6 attributes plus 1 result. Very good. So what should be the conditions? How many maximum? Rishabh, you are right. 6 attributes and 1 result. Very good. And how many training instances are there? कितने पॉसिबल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टेंसेस होंगे? Yes, Shivam, you're right. Very good. 96. So out of the 96 possible instances, we are having the few one. Now things will be more clear if you see the data. Look at this. Rishabh, look at this. We have the sky, temperature, humidity, wind, water, and forecast. So these are our attributes. And the last one is final. Enjoy sports, which is either yes or no. That means either Aldo enjoy the sports or not. Clear? So on the basis of values like sunny, if it is sunny, warm, normal, strong, wind is strong, water is warm, forecast is same. So Aldo enjoy the sport. So this is one instance of our training set. Clear? So how it is 96? I'm just explaining the things, okay? Like how many values of sky? How many values of sky? 3. Yes. So how many values of sky? That is 3. How many values of air temperature? 2. That means combination, permutation combinations we are creating. How many values of humidity? That is 2. Multiply strong or weak, again 2. Warm and cool, 2. and forecast 2. So how many this? 3 into 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So 3 into 32 is 96. You got this? So in this concept learning, we have all the possible instances. What is these possible instances? These possible instances 96. Clear? So it's a combination of this sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same.